Welcome to the Tele Radio Academy. Today we will show you how to register the T60TX-15 SML transmitter on the T20RX 03ASL receiver. The receiver can store up to 60 transmitter ID codes. Make sure the batteries have been placed correctly in the transmitter. Connect the receiver to a power supply. The yellow LED should light up. Press and hold the receiver function button for approximately 1 second. The receiver relay LEDs will light up. The receiver will stay in registration mode for approximately 6 seconds. Grab the transmitter. Press and hold button 1 to assign button group 1 to 3 automatically to relay 1 to 3 in the receiver. All receiver relay LEDs light up 3 times. Release button 1. The transmitter is now registered. Please note, button 4, 7, 10, or 13 can also be used to assign the corresponding button group to relay 1 to 3. This registration procedure is valid for the T60 TX-15 SML transmitter and T20RX 03ASL receivers.